Alright, so since I bought my Kyosho HR parts bag by bag, piece by piece, right? Since it's very hard for me to find like the entire kit, so at least I was able to get all the parts I needed. And servo is still on the way, but we can start building it. So I'll be starting with the cows, tank, rear cowl set, and cowling set. Alright, so based on the manual, I need what, 2.6 by 6 millimeters, and this is a TP screw or ST screw. Okay, the tank and cowl set. Like so. To connect these two. Alright. There you go. Right, so we'll be putting this later. We are going to work on this first. There's like a circle mark here for you to place the Lucky Strike sticker. Cool. Alright, good. Pretty cool.
정말 다 싫어서 헤어졌는데
Hello everyone, so first mod that we're doing with the Kyosho HOR is trimming out the back of the rider, because this, based on what I've researched, it hits the seat whenever it leans left and right. So I'm going to cut it out, and this is one of the mods that is highly recommended for the Kyosho HOR version. And this is how much plastic we cut, and hopefully that would be enough for this part not to touch the seat. Alright, so that's our first mod. Okay, another mod we need to do we need to basically widen or make this hole bigger. I'm not sure how much is enough, but I'll just go ahead and maybe increase it this much or a little bit more. And once I've installed this in the chassis, I'll just increase it if I still need to. But this is my target at the moment, so I'll go ahead and cut it out using my cheap ass Dremel. Alright, more trimming to do. This I think is already enough, and then we'll be trimming this part as well. Okay, so this is now the fairings, and we need to do some modification so it won't hit the ground easily, and it won't also hit the wheels or tires won't rub on this side. So this part right here where I marked red, that's something that I will be cutting out, and then below that, this one should be cut out as well. This one should be cut out as well. This is to avoid rubbing of the wheels at full press of the shocks, and also to avoid hitting the ground easily when leaning. All right. Alright, so we're basically done with the fairings modifications. So I cut this out right here. As you can see, it's bigger now. And then here as well, here as well. This is to avoid the fairings from touching the wheels here, also here. And then this one from hitting the ground at full lean. All right. I'm not sure if this right here is already enough since I don't have the chassis built up yet, but we'll just cut some more. And then this is the upper cowl. All right, now this is finished. I painted up the details. Gunmetal here, black. Gunmetal here. And then also made a modification on here for the driver mechanism. I also painted this up. I'm not too sure if I'll be using this since I need a bigger hole, or I might make this hole bigger as well so I can use it, but it depends once I'm done with the chassis. And then this one goes on here, so I'm not going to attach this as of yet, but it's already painted. Okay, so that would be it for the first part of our Kyosho HOR build. Alright, this I already painted, but it's not finished yet. I'm just done with the base color, so I still need to top coat this, but that will be done at the latter part of the build already. And then this one too, this one is totally unpainted. As you can see, it's shiny still, just bare plastic. Right, so we prioritized the fairings modifications for our first part of the build. This is gonna be my, I think, gonna be my biggest project for the year 2024. We'll see. All right, don't forget to hit like. Comment down below, guys, for any questions, suggestions, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you.